The top must-haves in all articles. The importance of articles in today's websites and internet-based companies are immeasurable. They dictate a lot in the success and the drive of traffic into one's site. They have become a key element in making a site work and earns a profit. A website operator and owner must have the good sense to include articles in his or her site that will work for them and earn them the many benefits articles can give to their site. Articles have been known to be the driving force in driving traffic to a website. Articles are a factor in giving site high rankings in search result pages. The higher a site ranks, the bigger slice of the traffic flow pie he gets. With a huge number in traffic flow, there are more profits and more potential for other income-generating schemes as well. But it is not just about stuffing your site with articles, they have certain requirements as well. These requirements must be met to obtain the maximum benefits an article will provide for your site. A well-written article will catch the eyes and interest of your customers and keep them coming back for more. They would also be able to recommend your site to others. These are some tips to help you and assist you in making your articles. Below you will read about 4 things all articles must have to make it successful and helpful in making your site a profit-earning and traffic-overflowing site. Keywords and keyword phrases. Your article must always be centered on the keywords and keyword phrases. As each website visitor goes to a site, there are those who are just merely browsing but actually looking for a specific something. When this happens, a searcher usually goes to a search engine and types in the keywords they are looking for, e.g. Toyota Camry, meningitis, tax lawyer, and etc. It could be anything they want. The most important thing is that you have an article that has the keywords that are related to your site. For example, if you maintain an auto parts site, you must be able to have articles about cars and their parts. There are many tools in the internet that provide service in helping a webmaster out in determining what keywords and keyword phrases are mostly sought out. You can use this tool to determine what keywords to use and write about. Keyword density. Now that you have your keywords and keyword phrases, you must use them fully. An article must have good keyword density for a search engine to feel its presence. Articles should at least have 10 to 15% of keyword density in their content for search engines to rank a site high in their search results. Getting a high rank is what articles do best for a site. The keyword density is the number of times a keyword or keyword phrase is used on an article. The number varies depending on the number of words used in an article. An effective article must have a keyword density that is not too high or too low. With a very high density, the essence of the article is lost and may turn off a reader as well as the search engines. It comes off as overeager. A low number may be ignored by the search engines. Good article content. As like what is stated above, you cannot just riddle an article with keywords. They must also be regarded as good reading materials. Articles must be able to entertain people as well as provide good information and help for their needs. Articles should be written well with correct spelling and good grammar. If you want people to trust you, make your work good and well thought out. Most people respond well to figures, facts, and statistics. Try to get great information and as many facts as you can. A good and well-written article will boost your reputation as an expert in your chosen field or topic. As more people believe in you, they will be able to trust you and your products. Linking articles. Also another important thing to remember. If you are going to submit articles to e-zines and/or contribute your articles to newsletters and other sites, don't ever forget to include a link to your site. A little resource box with a brief description of your site, and you should always be placed right after your articles that you have submitted. If people like your articles, they will most likely click on the link directing them to your site.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.